Hi Ninja Blitz, Ninja Master Nick here, and today all the top 10 Ninjago list video. And the first one is going to be for vehicles, houses and places that should be Lego sets. And then I'm going to be going through these 10 stuff that I think it should be Lego sets at some point. Right? If Lego decides to do it. And if you enjoyed today's top 10 places and vehicles that should be Lego sets, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to our channel, press that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you will be notified when a new videos are uploaded to our channel. And share this video with everybody I know. And now it's going to the top 10 Ninjago places and vehicles that should be Lego sets. And let's get right into it. And at number 10, here we got Dwan Sensei. That was Mojo Dojo. First appeared in the Powered Substance Ninja episode of the second season. It is somewhat a reoccurring location. But after season 7, and this place has never been seen again since Darth owns his own pub within Ninjago City. And the reason why this is on the list is because it's very important to have Lloyd becoming the Green Ninja training arc throughout the first half of Ninjago Season 2, the legacy of the Green Ninja. They somewhat did that with one of the Ninjago City sets, I'm pretty sure. But if they go wanted to do this kind of instead just for Darius's dojo specifically, maybe do something similar with the other modular building that they released for the other modular Lego building sets, like with Marvel and non-Marvel stuff. Next, Doctor is good for Bad Boys, aka for Good Boys and Worst Boys, aka Rules Academy. And it first appeared in Season 1 when Lloyd released to pay for. And both of them got revenge, trying to get revenge on the ones who pretty much kicked Lloyd out of the school for not being evil enough. And then when Payfor pretty much stole the map from him. And then also Poland in some way with Lloyd trying to get other bad boys to become good. And help the ninja to defeat the evil ninja. And that's why it's at number 9. And also the other reason why that is on the list. And at number 8, you got Doomsday Comics. And I do know in that they already did this in the original Ninjago City set, but I think this should be its own build. Similar to Darius's dojo. Maybe do like a little bit of the modular, or like with some of the smaller modular sets, like Spider-Man and sets. That's because that's what I see in this. It would be like as far as side of this, and important thing for this is pretty much help the ninja to get information on the Guando. And it's also where Lloyd got aged up. That been when Master Will Nia bought tomorrow's tea. To get the ninja back to normal. And at number 7, we got Betty's Pizza, which also showed up in that same episode as Doomsday Comics. This also made its reappearance in season 12 Prime Empire. And the important thing for this place is where Pixar and Zane's lead got to when they were tracking down Mountain Dyer in real life before they found out that both Dyer and Unodomi are two different people. And just like with both Doomsday Comics and Darius's dojo, maybe turn this into a sort of modular. But instance it has multiple floors. And at number 8, going to the vehicle side of things, we got this Stone Army vehicle. I do remember there only had been one Stone Army vehicle that came out during the bio wave of later sets. And it was a wire bike, which I unfortunately don't got. And so, if they ever continue to do Ninjago Legacy, maybe turn this one into a legacy. Instead to expand on the Stone Army arsenal with the vehicles. This one comes at a spider a little bit with how it's designed within the show. And in number 5, we got this other Stone Army vehicle. Some kind of drill, air tank. And other reason why it should be a set just like the previous one I just mentioned. It's because there's only been one Stone Army vehicle that ever been turned into a Lego set. And number 4, we got Garmadon's Stone Army mech. And I did get that. We already got that Garmadon mech from the Lego Ninjago movie, but we never got a Garmadon TV show mech. That's because Garmadon pretty much used this to chase the ninja to get the Helmet of Darkness back. And so, the final battle would pretty much be fulfilled. Number 3, we got Lloyd's treehouse. And there was a little bit of a concept for or a prototype for this kind of set. But ultimately got stopped because there's already been a bunch of Ninjago Season 1 sets. So, again, if they ever were to continue on with the new Ninjago Legacy, hey, maybe get this one finally made into a set. And the important thing for this is the ninja had to destroy it before it got fully operational, and is where Lloyd first got betrayed by the Serpentine, before getting to the Vampire on Kondrai, aka Pay For. And number 2, we got the Ice Temple from the pilots. And the important thing for this is it pretty much holds that shortens the ice, which the ninja did before the governor and the Skeleton army needed to. And they decided to do this one. And this thing is just going to be either just this outside area and show the interior from the back, or maybe something like that, from what I'm guessing. And for Pirates is literally the only time we've seen the Ice Temple, other than the shadow of the Warning Game. And finally, at number 1, we got Ed and Edna's starving junkyard. And then it's also been a reoccurring location other than Darius's dojo. Because this is where Jay grew up at, because his birth mom and the original elemental master Lightning left him at to be raised by Ed and Edna. And I'm honestly surprised that this place hasn't been turned into a set yet, since as a ninja has been here quite a few times throughout the show. Twice in season 1 when they fought the Vampire, and the second time when they had to make the ultrasonic radar with the tornado of creation to fight off the Great Devourer, and to throw some specific parts to help them to get into Ninjago City to erase the digital overlord. And Jay even came back here in season 6 when he got away from the Sky Pirates, and also came back in season 7, a season later, to protect his parents from the Vermilion. And then also it also came back in a flashback in season 9 Hunted. When we showed how that interaction went with him and Master Will before he became a ninja. And that's why he's on the list too. And at number 1, since other than Darius' dojo is the most reoccurring place within the world of Ninjago before the merge happened. And that's gonna be it for today's top 10 Ninjago places and vehicles that should be LEGO sets. And let me know down in the comments below what's your guys' top 10 and vehicles and places that should be LEGO sets. And what order you guys got it in. And again, let me know down in the comments below. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming in your way soon. And I will see you guys next time on Ninja Master Net.